In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get IKEA family coupons and deals. First, you'll want to navigate to the IKEA website specific to your country or region. Once there, check to ensure your country or region is correctly selected by looking at the top of the site. This ensures you're accessing the correct offers and details for your area. Next, locate the login or sign up option. If you haven't created an account yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Having an account is crucial to access the IKEA family member benefits. Once you've reached the login page, click on the Sign In button if you already have an account. If not, you'll want to follow the steps to create one. After you click on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type it in to avoid any errors. Afterward, proceed by clicking the button below, which allows you to log in with your password. Don't forget to enter your password in the given field. Accuracy matters here, as incorrect details could delay your access. Once you've entered your credentials, press the login button. You're now inside your account and ready to dive into all the IKEA family features. Look for the IKEA Family tab on the website. This is your gateway to special offers and discounts available exclusively to members. If you're not already a member, just click to Join IKEA Family. Membership is free and opens the door to instant savings and promotions. Inside the IKEA Family section, explore the offers or member deals. Here, you can explore a list of current promotions ranging from discounted furniture to exclusive prices at the IKEA store, and even perks at the IKEA restaurant. Offers are refreshed regularly, so it's a good idea to revisit this section often to grab fresh deals. Additionally, you'll want to check out the personalized coupons available to you. Click on My Coupons or Rewards, depending on your location, to see any personalized offers you can use. These can range from discounts on specific furniture pieces to bargains in home decor or reduced delivery fees. When you're ready to shop, add the items you want to your cart and head to checkout. Make sure you're logged into your IKEA family account to have member pricing and discounts applied automatically. If there's a specific promo code, copy it from the offers section and paste it into the promo code box during checkout for additional savings. To ensure you don't miss any deals, consider subscribing to IKEA's newsletter or enabling notifications directly in your IKEA account. This way, you'll receive alerts about limited time offers, upcoming sales, and special IKEA family events. Lastly, make sure your communication preferences are set correctly in your profile to avoid missing out on these valuable notifications. Following these steps ensures you stay on top of all the fantastic savings IKEA has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!